In this video, I'm going to show you a full tutorial on how to use Infraforge in 2026. We'll go over how we set it up to power hundreds of campaigns, how you can set it up yourself to power your cold email outreach efforts, and we'll highlight features that make Infraforge an irreplaceable part of your cold outreach tech stack. So let's begin. Infraforge is basically private email infrastructure. How it differs from shared infrastructure is that with Infraforge, you own your infrastructure yourself. You basically have your own dedicated IP, meaning no one else can influence you. But this comes with some drawbacks. If you do not know how to send emails properly, if you do not validate email addresses, if you increase your spam rate, bounce rate, it will influence your whole IP reputation. But if you do know how to set up, if you do know how to send emails, how to write great copy, you can use Infraforge for your advantage, kind of leverage your expertise and build a high reputation IP server, whatever you want to call it, to send outreach from. Now, you should not rely on Infraforge by itself for your email infrastructure. That's why I always suggest to take a look at other products like Mailforge for shared email infrastructure and PrimeForge for Google and MS 365 infrastructure for your cold email. This way, you'll diversify your infrastructure, and if some mailboxes go down, your cold email and outreach can stay up. So now let's begin with the tutorial. Once you log in, you'll have to purchase domains. You can do that by clicking Create Domains, adding your primary domains, for example, Infraforge.ai. Select the number of domains you want, let's say 3, click Generate Domains, and you'll get a couple more examples that you can use. Now click Next. Here, add forwarding domain, basically, so that whenever people actually visit these websites, they end up on your primary website, right, which is Warmforge. Then check out, and you'll have domains ready to use them to create mailboxes. Now, another safety feature that Infraforge provides that not many other email infrastructure softwares provide is an SSL and domain masking certificates, right? So what it does is allows you to add an SSL certificate, which means your domain is more secure, which again increases your reputation, and as well as domain masking proxy. What domain masking proxy does is instead of redirecting people from, for example, your secondary domain to your primary domain, is it showcases the primary domain's website's content inside your secondary domain, meaning people are not getting redirected, which means email service providers do not see it as suspicious, right? Which again increases your reputation, increases your delivery rate, and is just great safety feature to have. And to buy SSL and domain masking, just again, click Buy SSL and Domain Masking, select the domains you want to buy it for, and check out. Once that's done, go to Mailboxes, click Create Mailboxes, and here you'll be able to auto-generate mailboxes. Here you select the domains that you bought, as many domains as you want, let's say all of them. Here select the number of mailboxes you want per domain, click Next, select name types, then they can be random, they can be predefined, maybe your name, your coworker's name. I usually suggest random male and female. Next, add signature, optional, and generate mailboxes. Once that's done, you'll have your domains ready and your mailboxes created. But that's not it. What you can also do is buy pre-warm mailboxes. This way, you can skip the warm-up period that usually takes 14 days for your mailboxes and can start doing outreach right away. To do that, again, just go to pre-warm mailboxes, select the domains you want, click Next, add your main domain, basically the domain you want people to end up on when they search those secondary domains. Review the mailboxes that you'll get. For example, I have Isabella, Caleb, Gabriel. If that's all good, click Next, check out, and you'll get all of the mailboxes ready for you to plug into Salesforge or any other outreach platform and start doing cold email outreach. Now again, that's not all. What Infraforge also has is Masterbox. Basically a place for you to view all emails and conversations between you and your clients in the mailboxes that you connect, right? So for example, here we have 8 mailboxes. What we can do is connect them to Masterbox by domains. And this way, every email conversation, every message that's being sent to every single mailbox will end up here in one place. So you can manage everything in one place instead of hopping from mailbox to mailbox. Now, once you create the mailboxes, connecting them to an email outreach software is super simple. Click Export Mailboxes, export to Salesforge, to WarmForge for warm-up, to Salesforge for cold email, and to other platforms if you use any other platform. You'll get a CSV file, upload it to a platform of your choice, and that's it. Now, if you want to see a tutorial of other products such as WarmForge, PrimeForge, Infraforge, Mailforge, LeadsForge, or Salesforge, I suggest you take a look at this channel because I'll have a tutorial for each product. Now, I'll link Infraforge down in the comments below, in the description below, so feel free to use it. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one, and peace.